Hi, I'm back with my Thoughtful Thursdays. And if you managed to see the episode on usage behavior, I want to continue on this a little more. Because usage behavior is not only about the application, at times it is how do you get the consumer to use your product regularly? How do you form that habit? How do you form that routine? And I want to give you one example, and this came up from an assignment that I did, and it was about supplements. It was all great to say that supplements are good for me and I should have it in the morning, or whether I should have it in the night. If it was a sleep supplement or if it was a gut supplement, large part of it is figuring out when to have it, right? But the larger part is to remember to have it all the time and have it regularly. And one important thing that happened is, where do I keep it? And I always remember this phrase, out of sight, out of mind. And it is so true. If I do not keep the supplement next to my sleeping table or a drawer or where I can see it, the high chances of you forgetting to take it is almost inevitable. I think as marketing people, as product people, we need to think about, where will my consumer place this product? I know this even from my hair and skin cosmetic grooming days. We would ask कि शैम्पू कहाँ रखने वाले हो, ये जो लिवॉन जो सीरम है आप कहाँ रखने वाले हो, where will you use it? Will you use it in the bathroom or will you come back and use it outside? And we forget to ask these questions because we take it for granted, right? We say it is so obvious. My earnest request is to really find out, where do you keep these products? When will you use it? How will you use it? And where will it be so that they make it part of their daily life if you are that kind of product? Don't take usage behavior for granted. It's not only about the application, it is also about creating a routine so that you become an integral part of the consumer's life. So if you like what I say and you want to know more, reach out to us.